Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. Today I want to show you a really handy colloquial expression which is la galère, and I'll show you all the different meanings of it. Now before we start, let me mention you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French. It's full of tips and tricks on how to speak French like a native. Just click the link in the description and you can download it straight away. La galère in French is always used for something that's difficult, which is a pain or a hassle. Obviously it comes from the word galley, which is a ship that used to be manned by slaves or criminals. So you see the picture. Let's have a look at the first example. Voyager en ce moment, c'est vraiment la galère. Traveling at the moment is a real pain. Quelle galère, ces examens. These exams are such a pain. La bureaucratie française, c'est une galère pas possible. French bureaucracy is a pain in the neck. Here I introduced another expression, pas possible. It means incredible, but it's more colloquial. You can also use la galère in another expression, être dans la même galère, which means to be in the same boat. Les conditions de travail sont terribles, mais enfin, on est tous dans la même galère. Working conditions are terrible, but then again, we're all in the same boat. Now you can also use it as a verb, and it's galérer. It means to struggle. Thomas galère pour trouver du travail. Thomas is struggling to find a job. On a galéré pour essayer de rentrer. Toutes les lignes de métro étaient en grève. We had a hard time trying to get home. All the metro lines were on strike. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. À bientôt.